Hello, my YouTube friends. I am your host for the next 7 minutes, Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I want to show you guys something behind me that you don't usually see too often. Did you guys know that we lower vans? If you have a van that's lifted, sitting on really big tires, it's really just nice to drive, and you are just tired of a nice driving van, well, you can bring it to us and we will lower it like we've done this one right here. You can see just how low to the ground it is. Like no ground clearance. You can't even go over speed bumps faster than 5 miles an hour. This is it. This is where we're going now. These things are awesome. I mean, who doesn't, you know what's great about this is look how it's so easy just to get into. I don't have to like climb up so high to get into this, you know? I mean, and especially when I want to come back here and sit in my reclining chairs, it's just so easy to get into. Or if I'm getting on the Trump train, I think that's what that means right there. I don't know, I'm just checking out vans. This thing is cool though now. Like, it wasn't cool before, and now it's gonna be cool. So, this is what you want, guys. This is it. This is the new WeldTec Designs. This is what we're bringing you guys. I hope you like it. Smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, thumbs up, because you guys love lowered vans now. That's where we're going. So, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Not, never. Well, maybe one day, I don't know, just for fun. All right, so back to your regularly scheduled program. Nobody wants this. Well, there probably is somebody out there that does want this. They're just not here at WeldTec Designs, guys. So, like we said, all of those things that we said were so awesome really are not. And we are about to take this thing in the shop and put a Baja grocery getter kit on it and make it friggin' awesome. So I hope you guys stay tuned for this whole video. Make sure you watch the end. This thing's rad. Look at this. Rhino-line the top of it. Ooh, and the bottom. Dude, this is an at-home do-it-yourself kit, guys. I'll put a link below. Go on Amazon, buy it, do it yourself. These guys did, and it looks awesome. Now it's our turn to make this thing look awesome. It's going in the shop. Speechless, guys. I mean, really. When you saw this van, when we showed you this in the beginning, did you really think that you could make an E150 van look so cool? All right, I'll stop shoving food in my face for just a second so that I can tell you guys what we did to this. Look at that. Oh, look at those method wheels. Ooh, NVs. 17, 8.5, 285, 70, 17s. Dude, and this is a tire that you don't see very often in old school. Dick CPEC? Dude, remember when Dick CPEC was just it in like the 80s? So, I'm gonna make Austin dive all the way in there because you're gonna see a set of Fox reservoir shocks on there, which are awesome, which you guys don't normally get to see on a lot of Baja grocery getter kits. However, we are stacking these things with reservoir shocks. They are awesome. So you can see, we've moved this forward a ton here in the wheel well. A ton of clearance here now for this big tire now to turn all the way. Still has the fender flare on there, and we're not having any issues with rubbing. That is what is awesome about this Baja grocery getter kit. When we do the radius arms and radius arm brackets, we move this whole thing forward, and it's awesome. So also on the front of this thing, when you pop your head underneath there, you'll see that we also added a Fox steering stabilizer to it, which is going to help this thing a ton. It's rad. I like it. I do. I like it a lot. It's so like the two-tone. It's not, you know, we always do a ton of white vans, a ton of like silver, black vans. This is just different, old school, rad. And as we jump to the back of this thing, you're gonna see the new height. And what's great about this is this E150, it doesn't have blocks in there. No, we did a full custom set of springs in the back of this thing. So if you are cruising in the back of this, their guests, the people driving with them are gonna be ultra comfortable on the new set of springs in the rear. And to top it off, I need a drink, hold on. Set of Fox shocks in the rear. So, this is a Ford E150, guys. This is old school, pre-08. It's awesome. Who doesn't love it? Now, if you're still watching this video, thank you very much for watching and for being a loyal, I'm gonna say, follower, subscriber, YouTube aficionado. And what I have is a huge favor to really ask of all of you guys. You can see I'm rocking the Growing Up Garage hat. We are really promoting Growing Up Garage, trying to get the word out there, trying to teach other kids about tools, about working on vehicles, and about everything that has to do with the garage. Our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel by the end of the year. I need your guys' help to make that happen. So please go over to Growing Up Garage, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, totally hook Caden up and stoke him so that he's super like, oh my gosh, I love it. And we are putting out a ton of really good new content on there for all of you kids. So if you guys have kids, show your kids it. I guarantee you they will be able to learn new things watching this channel. And that is our goal. If they're gonna be on YouTube, at least be learning something. There's too much stuff out there where you're not learning anything for kids. That's our goal, to be teaching kids. So that's it. That's my rant, my rave. Thank you guys, genuinely. I really appreciate all of you guys watching this. And I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Give us a big thumbs up. Did I miss something on this van? What else do you guys want to see? I'll see you guys next time.